Hey guys, this is Blaze. So in this one, we're going to be comparing stock halogen headlights to HID kits that perform best from our lab tests. And from there, we're going to be able to give you guys some recommendations to upgrading your stock headlights to get the most out of your car and the most out of your headlights. As always, be sure to check out our website, bulbfacts.com. You'll see all of these kits that we're going over today listed in our full sortable charts, HID aftermarket kits, and you can also find LED, OEM HID, and of course halogen. We purchased and tested 8 of the top HID kits that are most popular rated on Amazon. So let's go ahead and go to the lab and check them out. Alright guys, so we're here in the lab. We're going to start off with halogen so you can get a good idea on how this is going to compare to the other kits. So let's get started with the halogen. We'll hit the lights. So you can see with the halogen, the color is okay. It's a little yellowish. The output is okay. And the beam pattern is decent. Equipment details can be found, guys, on our website if you're interested. So what kind of projectors that we use for low, high beams, projectors, reflectors, what distance, that kind of thing. So go ahead and check that out if you like. We got our Ddm Tuning Kit here. This is the next kit that I want to show you guys. Well, it's the best kit that we tested, so let's get it set up and check it out. All right, so we got our first kit hooked up. We're gonna hit the lights. We'll give that a minute to warm up. This kit was 239% brighter over halogen. We tested it at 2970 peak lux, whereas halogen you're going to get about 876 peak lux, and that's almost 3.5 times more light on the road. The overall light spread too, as you can see, is much improved. Not only do you get a much further distance, but you get better lighting side to side. So the Ddm Premium Tuning Kit was actually the closest to a pure white at 5150K in the 35 watt kit. Even though it was claimed on the kit to be 5500, we're okay with 5150. It's closer to a pure white instead of having a little bit of blue in there. Ddm Premium is really the kit to get if you're looking for something that looks stock and that's extremely bright and a great price. Now I'm going to get one more kit going for you guys. This is another kit that actually did very well. Wasn't as good as the Ddm, but it's half the price, so let me grab that. You can already tell this kit is a little bit cheaper. The materials, the Ddm was really actually a pretty decent premium kit. Now it's not as premium as Ddm or Morimoto or something like that, but for the price it's actually very good quality. We'll hit the lights and check this kit out. We'll give this a minute to warm up. Like I said, this kit's only 30 bucks compared to the Ddm Premium, which is 60 bucks. Still not bad, but if you're looking for a cheap kit and you still want some good brightness, this one's going to be it for you. So this kit was still 120% brighter over stock. That's about 2.5 or 2.25 times the brightness over a stock halogen bulb with the included 35 watt ballast, which doesn't sound as good as the Ddm kit, but again, for only 30 bucks, this is a great bang for your buck. The Extreme Vision kit was 7250 Kelvin. Now, as you can see, it's much more blue, but it's still very bright output. If you guys are into more of the blue, the ice blue, or the sky blue, whatever you want to call it, then go ahead and check this kit out. Once you hit 7000, you're getting kind of blue, but this kit still has a great output. So you'll notice all the options for color temperature are Kelvin, 5000K, 6000, 10,000K. The output's going to vary depending on the Kelvin that you pick as far as brightness goes. It's not just a different color you're getting, it's a different brightness entirely. You want to stick to 4500 Kelvin as close as possible if you want the brightest out of everything. 5000, 5500K is going to be still pretty bright, but it's going to cut you about 5-10% in brightness. Once you start getting over 6000 Kelvin, something like 10,000 or 12,000. Again, it's just the color. It's not actually the brightness. Those kits are going to be dimmer and dimmer every higher Kelvin you go. So these I wouldn't recommend, especially if you're going to be using them with your low beam headlights and driving at night. It's really dangerous. I would stay away from them. Try to stick with something 6,000 or under if you guys can. Remember guys, that HID is specifically designed for projectors. There are HID bulbs out there that have special coatings on them for reflectors. And if you go with a HID upgrade, make sure you're using a projector. If you have a reflector, just be sure you're not producing any glare out of your headlights. It's very common that people put HID kits in reflectors and then they blind everybody. If you guys want a recommended kit for reflectors, check out my LED video here. We tested a ton of LED kits from Amazon, and we found good ones that actually don't produce any glare or very minimal glare. I would highly recommend LED and a reflector over HID. But if you got projectors, HID is the way to go all the way. HID is still king over LED. LED is coming a long way, but HID is just amazing for headlight output. So I'm going to show you one more kit just so you guys can get an idea on how it looks. It's a premium kit. It's not available on Amazon. Also, I'll put a link below. But I just want to show you this so you can get an idea of what you get with the premium kit versus a cheaper Amazon kit. So we'll get that checked out. So over stock, this kit was about 309% brighter than this projector here. So that's going to be about 4 times more light on the road. Color temperature was about 5700 Kelvin. Dale's a great choice. I got all their bulbs in my car personally. That's why I wanted to show you guys this one. It's not an Amazon kit, something if you're looking for a real good premium kit that's going to last you a long time. So I'll place links to these kits in the description below if you want to check them out. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. You'll find all the details on these kits as well as other HID kits that we've tested on our website. So be sure to check that out before you make a purchase. If we didn't test a kit that you guys are looking to purchase or that you're already running and you just want to see how it performs against the others, go ahead and be sure to drop us a comment below and we'll look into testing it for you. If this video was useful for you guys, definitely be sure to give it a like below. We don't release videos very often, but when we do, we want them to be high quality, have a lot of good information, so definitely be sure to subscribe so you can catch them. Stay safe out there, guys, and until next time, thanks again for watching.